Hi, this is Allison Sheridan, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week, we're going to learn about a slideshow creation tool called FotoMagico from Boinks.com. If you've got a special moment to commemorate, there's nothing more compelling than a well-done slideshow with music timed to pull at the heartstrings. Whether it's celebrating the birthday of a beloved aunt, commemorating a season of Little League, or capturing your family vacation, a slideshow can bring tears and joy if done well. There are even many business-related uses for a good slideshow, from advertising to marketing of your company's products. FotoMagico is an app designed just for making slideshows. This is an app for pretty much everyone because it's very easy to drop in a series of photos, add some music and titles, and then publish a pretty neat slideshow with just the defaults from the application. But as you get to know FotoMagico, you'll realize that it's highly capable, and in fact, it has many features I'll only be able to introduce you to in this tutorial because it can get very, very advanced. What you create with FotoMagico is only limited by your imagination and how advanced you want to get. That's why I say it's really for everyone. FotoMagico is available through a single subscription for $7.99 per month or $79.99 for 12 months. If you become the family archivist or your company's marketing guru because you enjoy making slideshows with FotoMagico, this is a great deal. But if you only have that one event coming up, since the subscription is controlled through the app stores, you can turn it on and off whenever you want. While your subscription is dormant, FotoMagico becomes a player and you can watch and present the slideshows you've created. You simply can't change them. While FotoMagico runs on both Mac and iPad, I find that the Mac version has much less friction to it. And so I'll be teaching the tool all on the Mac. Let's jump right in and start using FotoMagico. We want to give our slideshow a name. We'll just call it Demo. And it's going to ask for the author, and then we can choose the format. From 16:9 to 3:2 to 4:3, we've got some vertical options and some social media options and even a custom option. I'm going to go with 4:3 because that's the aspect ratio of the photos I'm going to include. Now I've given it the name Demo, and I'll do Create Slideshow. And what you'll notice is that the name of the file is Untitled. So we haven't actually saved the file as Demo. That's just the name of the slideshow. I'm going to use Moom here to shrink up the size of this a little bit so we have a little more room down at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to do a real quick and dirty slideshow just to show you how easy it is. I have some images off screen, and I'm going to drag them into what's called the Storyboard. When I let go, you can see I've got the series of images shown as individual slides across the bottom, and these little gold boxes here, those are transitions. But let's just hit play and take a look at what we see when we drop in some images. You can see that we've got movement to these images. That's what people often call the Ken Burns effect, and FotoMagico has applied that automatically for us. Let me stop this for a second. At this point, we have a slideshow, and we could go up to Share and export our slideshow to any of these options. And that easily, we have created a slideshow with movement that's ready to share. Let's save our slideshow, and I'll just save this out to the desktop, and I'll call it Demo. Let me click away from these selected slides and just get us to have one slide selected.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.